Hi, hello, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make grilled full mutton leg. First, wash it properly. After wash, add some turmeric powder and wash it again. So it's good to remove any germs is there. It will be removed by this turmeric powder. So it will be full clean. So let's mix the masala. First I'm going to add mutton masala, so you will get good mutton flavor. Then add some black pepper powder. Then add some coriander powder. Then Kashmiri chili powder, so you will get good color. Then add some turmeric powder. Add some garam masala. Then also add some lemon juice. Then add the ginger garlic paste and add some oil. So I use sesame oil, so it's good for the health. Add some salt. Then mix it well. Add little bit of water also. Mix the masala well. So the clean the wash mutton leg is ready. So we are going to put the masala on it. So you put the masala in the whole leg, all the cut layers, so it will be absorbed properly. Then keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. So we went to Aldozari Park to make this full leg mutton leg barbecue. Every 10-15 minutes you have to turn it both sides. So it will took us to make this grill the mutton leg around more than 1 hour because it will take time. Also add some oil so you will get good flavor. Also it will cook well, it will not stick on the steel. See, it's on cooking process, so the color is changed. Now let's make the salad. So cut some lettuce and some cucumber and some tomato and 2-3 carrot. Also capsicum, the sweet capsicum. Mutton leg barbecue is ready to eat. So we are enjoying the food. It's wonderful experience and it's very tasty. You can also try in your place. So if you're not subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and give your feedback in the comment section. Also click on the bell button so you will get our video updates in future.